as the wild Braden gingerly walks down the mud. So we made it to Starved Rock. We're going to Starved Rock in Matthessien today. It is a beautiful day.
Beautiful.
Randy, what do you have to say?
I'm pumped to be here. It's beautiful out. I haven't seen you guys in a while.
This is Fernando.
My name's Xavier. My name's Jeff.
Alright, this is gonna be fun.
Gnarly bug.
Oh, dude, that's kind of disgusting.
But kind of crazy too.
So I got ahead of the guys. We were all the way down there. Now we're all the way up here. And it is amazing. Braden, you won't climb over this. Oh my gosh. He's insane. Well, he actually went down there. Oh, you're asking for it.
Crazy.
You're a crazy boy. I'm sure it's beautiful down there. So we finished up our part of the trip at Starved Rock, and now we're gonna grab some of the best food out here, Taco Bell.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And we're gonna head over to Matthessien for the duration of this trip. This is it. This is it right here.
One for Colin.
Oh, he won! Alright, so we made it.
Take the GoPro
to Matthessien.
And
we're heading down the trails right now.
I'm pretty here.
We gotta get down there now.
Yeah, jump, Colin. We're right behind you.
Want to see me touch that tree?
You gonna see me touch it backwards?
Quick, what's on your mind?
Doggos.
This is insane. Did not know anything like this was in Illinois.
Did you hear that?
No, what did you say?
She was sitting on the tree and she was like, Mom, what's this called? She's like, a tree.
Oh, Randy, if you get 3 skips,
oh, there we go.
I'll give you a high five. Oh my gosh, that was legendary.
That was not legendary.
No man left behind. It's not a picture.
I don't know where to go from here. You see that?
Oh, that is so disgusting. So we're out here. I did not know it was possible to carve your name this deep into a rock. Holy crap, that is insane. Found myself a nice cave to creep on Colin from.
Gotta take off the shoes at some point, bro.
I know. I just can't believe this. Colin, are we about to go in here?
Oh, yes, we about to go in.
How did they get over there with shoes on?
Oh, this is the rock. That's still a good one.
Oh. So apparently there's a cave here. I don't know if it goes around, but if it does, oh, it does. This is insane. We made it across. Braden's just walking straight across. Braden, make it.
I got my toes in the water.
Alright, so we are gonna actually go underneath that waterfall. I cannot bring the camera, so Braden got this life straw thing where you could drink water straight from wherever and it filters it. So we're gonna see if it actually works right now. Braden, let's see it.
How is it?
Paul said first in the water.
You have to like take a bunch of... Yeah, I got it.
This is a good shot right here. He's drinking water, don't worry. They stepped in some real mud. He's in. Oh, that is disgusting. That's why I didn't go that way. Look at these. These are nice feet. These are very nice feet. Those are gross. As the wild Braden gingerly walks down the mud. Oh, whose man's is this? So we went off the trails and found this beautiful riverside piece right here. There we go with the word beautiful again. Yeah. Braden, what is your current mood? All right, Randy, you said this one's for real. Prove it. Skip it over those rocks.
Fine.
Take one. Oh, he made it.
2 for 2. Robbie Gold!
Same rock.
This has to be the best part of the trip. Go.
Oh gosh!
Wait. I thought you were throwing the other way. I did not record any of that because I missed it. I got him wiping out those. So this is literally a depiction of what it's like to come here. You just quit and leave your shoe in the middle of nowhere.
Oh, that hurts so bad.
Oh, Matt, just wait until we're at the top because there's water for your feet and it's gonna be good. And we made it out.
We did it.
We made it. We did it. We are alive. We're going home.
Watch out, wasp.
It's been, oh, wasp. It's been a long day. And we've definitely earned a nice, relaxing drive. Woo!
Hey, do you guys want hand sanitizer?
Why? You brought like no bag, but you brought hand sanitizer?
Oh, dude.
Kobe! Love a nice mom and pop shop. Alright, so they somehow trapped Superman inside of a flavor of ice cream. Thank you. What flavor is that?
Cake batter.
Oh. What'd you get, Braden? Oh, come on, not again. Alright, that concludes our trip to Starved Rock and Matthessien. We're headed home. You're starved. It was beautiful.
Beautiful! Beautiful!